All right, Shalom. First things first, we want to give all praise unto Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushai. We give double honors to our apostle elders, which are the apostle elders that rule a great millstone, that have been set up through faith to help seal the elect that the Lord is bringing in. We're at the time of the end. We're living in these last days. What you England call God is getting ready to come back. He's getting ready to he's getting ready to lay waste to the landmass of America. And he's getting ready to put judgment on the planet Earth, man. Because people don't realize that God's not playing, man. It don't matter if you believe in him or not. You can apparently see that something's happening in the world, man. You see these hurricanes, these natural disasters, these things that are taking place on the four corners of the earth, man. That's ushering in the kingdom of heaven, man. All right, which belongs to you Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans.
All right, this is the 12 tribes of Israel. Judah, the so-called Negroes. Benjamin, the so-called West Indians. Levi, the so-called Haitians. Simeon, the so-called Dominicans. Zebulon and Guatemala to Panama. Ephraim, the Puerto Ricans. Manasseh, the Cubans. Gad, the North American Indians. Reuben, the Seminole Indians. Naphtali, Argentina to Chile. Asher, Colombia to Uruguay. And Issachar, the Mexicans.
You got it.
And these are the people whom you call God, and Christ is coming back for, man. But only the elect of the nation of Israel.
And right now we're in Springfield, Missouri. It's about 3 hours from our usual location, man. We're waiting on the brothers on his way. But now we at the time, man, where the Lord is allowing this truth to go out, man. The calling is out. All right, the Great Commission for you Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans to come back to yourself. Because Esau's out here frolicking, man. A lot of these mediocre Edomites, that's what I'm going to call them, the mediocre Edomites, they don't know what's going on. They don't realize what time they living in. Right. So that's why God has to set up prophets, man, to come out here and tell you what's getting ready to take place. Because you stay especially in these days, you stay so locked in your cell phones, your computers, you don't concentrate what's going on in the real world, man. The real world is getting took out of power, man. The world as you see it today is getting ready to be changed, man. You got that woe to the bloody city? Yeah, we'll start with that. Because the Lord has his eyes on this place, man. Okay, the Most High is watching everything that's happening in the landmass of America. All right? But what's getting ready to take place is there's going to be a changing of power, man. The Most High is going to take this wicked society out of rulership and set up the kingdom of heaven, which belongs to you Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans, man. All right? And if you and 2/3 of our people, if you don't come back, you're going to be caught up, man. You got it? Go ahead.
This is the book of Nahum, chapter 3, verse 1. It says, woe to the bloody city.
And why does it say woe? Because the word woe in the Bible means destruction. Why is it a bloody city? Was not the Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans? You actually got a marker that says the Trail of Tears up there. So you have any thousands and millions of Native Americans and slaves, bones, and killings that took place in the landmass of America. You people walk around and don't know you're in possession of stolen property, man. The Most High God has not forgot about the wickedness that take place in the landmass of America. Like I said, you have a marker for the Trail of Tears right there, man. All right? Lord willing, after camp, we'll show that. But there's a marker for the Trail of Tears right on this spot, man. So that's spiritual. So the Most High has had his prophets come to a spot where his people, the blood of the prophets were slain at, man. Yeah. Where's that in Revelation? Said filled with the blood. I got it. Go ahead and get that.
This is Nahum chapter 3, verse 1. Woe to the bloody city. It is all full of lies and robbery. The prey, the prey departeth not.
That means we're the prey. You Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans, you're that prey. You don't depart out of this land. You're steady in your enemy's land. You're still being called niggas today in your enemy's land. So Jake ain't went nowhere. Jake ain't how you say, beat the system yet. Right. We're still in our captive's land. That's why it says what? And what is that? It says if he be found in your hands, you shall surely be put to death, man. And then I got a quick precept. This is Revelations 18 and 24. And it says, and in her was found the blood of prophets and of saints and of all that were slain upon the earth. That's what you see in America, man. You see the blood of prophets and saints. And the words, the saints, you got to give me Psalms 147. And 144, I took there. Because our blood is found in this landmass, okay? You Negroes, Latinos, Native American, your blood is the one that's been spilt on this landmass, okay? It ain't no other nation's blood. Even if Esau spilled his own blood, that's on him.
Right. Go ahead. This is Exodus 21 and 16. And he that stealeth a man.
He that stealeth a man, okay? How was the black man brought to America, man?
Stolen.
Okay? Because you people seem to think that we're your entertainment. You forget how the black man got here. Read that again, man.
It says, and he that's Exodus 21 and 16. And he that stealeth a man.
If you ask the average white person, how did the black man get to America? You don't know that we are stolen? We're stolen property, man. And we're still in your hands today. Keep going.
And it says, and selleth him, or if he be found in his hand, he shall surely be put to death.
You got it.
All right, man. All right, man. Now we were stolen from the western part of Africa, man. All right, man. We were brought here to America, all right, man, to basically serve slavery, man, for what we've done, man. Because we have, all right, man, because we stopped worshiping Yahweh Shah, man. All right, man. We started worshiping these idols, man, just like Jake is doing now. Let's see if I can find that real quick. Jeremiah 16 and 13. They say, therefore I will cast you out of this land into a land. Go ahead. Jeremiah 16 and 13. Therefore I will cast you out of this land into a land that ye know not. Neither ye nor your fathers have known, ye shall serve other gods day and night. Where I will not shake your favor. Alright, man? So, alright, man, now we had gone into this captivity because we were worshiping these idols, man. Alright? And that's our punishment, man.
Precept? This is Ezekiel 3 and verse 17. Son of man, I have made thee a watchman unto the house of Israel. Therefore hear the words of my mouth and give them warning from me. That's why we are here again. Just like in the time when the Lord told Israel that, look, if you don't act the way you're supposed to act, you're going to be cast out of the land. You're going to be thrown out into the four corners of the planet Earth, man. That's where we at now. That's how we showing, that's how we know that the look.